maalon kanina nung nag-umpisa tayo, pero nung patapos na okay na eh, hindi na masyadong umalon. Tapos may huli tayo na isa, 3.2 kilo, malaki. Puro 3 kilohan ang nadadali natin ngayon. Sana mas bumigat pa or makadali pa ng mas mabigat next time. Kapag kasi maganda talaga yung tubig at hindi kataasan, mataas ang percentage na makahook up eh. Ayun, so sana magustuhan niyo yung video, Tom and Catch of the Day. Ayun. Yung gears natin na ginamit is from Cebu Tackle Shop, which is the Storm Adventure, at saka yung yung Levate Raptor, tapos Angler Armor Jersey. Catch of the Day, one big Toman. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. God bless. I hope you will enjoy the video. Thank you. Got one. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Napapalaban na naman ng Storm at ang Raptor. Nice. Nalaban ito Okay. Big one na naman. Landed. Lord, thank you po. Big one. August 20, 2025. Another big one. 3.3. Oh my God. 3.3 kilo. 3.3 kilos. Yan. Another big one. Lalayo ko lang para magusto. Yeah. Yeah. Yung likod ko medyo napakaalon. Pero swerte, nakagatan. Napatapat na naman using Storm Adventure at saka Raptor from Cebu Tackle Shop. Of course, Angler Armor Jersey from Angler Armor. Catch of the Day. Thanks God. Releasing the catch. Mahuli pa ulit tayo sa susunod. dumami at lumaki. Thank you Lord. Catch of the day.